Hello friends, good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss what is plaint. Let's talk about what is plaint. Plaint in CPC is a formal written document submitted by a plaintiff to initiate a civil lawsuit in a court of law. It serves as the initial step in commencing a legal action. The plaint contains essential details including the parties involved, facts giving rise to cause of action, the relief sought, and the jurisdictional information. It helps define the scope and purpose of the lawsuit and provides the court with necessary information to proceed with the case. Moving forward, let's see what is the meaning of plaint. The expression plaint has not been defined in the code. However, it can be said to be a statement of claim or document by presentation of which the suit is instituted. Its object is to state the ground upon which the assistance of court is sought by the plaintiff. It's a pleading of the plaintiff. Moving forward, let's see what is the provisions of plaint in CPC. Order 7 of the Code of Civil Procedure is all about plaint. In the order, you will find different rules that covers what various aspects of what should be in a plaint. Rule 1 to 8 deals with the particulars of the plaint, and Rule 9 of CPC deals with how the plaint will be admitted, and after that Rule 10 to 10b talks about return of plaint and appearance of parties, and main rule, that is 11 to 13, deals with rejection of plaint and in what circumstances a plaint can be rejected. Now moving forward, Section 26 of the Code of Civil Procedure states that every suit shall be instituted by the presentation of the plaint or in such other manner as may be prescribed. This section clearly shows that plaint is very much necessary for the establishment of a suit before the civil or commercial court. Moving forward, Rule 1 says that what should be the particulars of plaint to be contained. The first is the name of the court in which the suit is instituted or brought. Second thing, the name and description and place of residence of the plaintiff and defendant. After that, if the plaintiff or defendant is a minor or a person of unsound mind, a statement to that effect. And next is the cause of action and when it arose, and the next thing is jurisdiction of the court. Moving forward, the next thing is the relief which the plaintiff claims, and after that where the plaintiff has allowed a set off or relinquished or portion of his claim or amounts were allowed or relinquished. Next is a statement of the value of the subject matter of the suit for the purpose of jurisdiction and of court fee so far as the case admits. Rule 10 talks about return of plaint, that is when a plaint can be returned where at any stage of the suit the court find that it has no jurisdiction, either territorial or pecuniary, or with regard to subject matter of the suit. It will return the plaint to be presented to the proper court in which the suit ought to have been filed. However, the court can't dismiss the suit. Rule 10a prescribes the procedure to be followed by a court before the plaint is ordered to be presented to the proper court. Rule 11 talks about rejection of plaint, that is when a plaint can be rejected. The first condition is that where it does not disclose the cause of action, and the next thing is if the relief claim is undervalued and the plaintiff on being required by the court to correct the valuation within a time to fixed by the court fails to do so. And the next thing is where the plaintiff claim is properly valued but the plaint is written upon paper insufficiently stamped, and the plaintiff on required by the court to supply the requisite stamp paper within a time to fixed by the court fails to do so. And the next thing is when the suit appears from the statement in the plaint to be barred by any law and where it does not filed in duplicate. And the next thing is where the plaintiff fails to comply with the provisions of Rule 9. Moving forward, cases are K. Akbar Ali versus Umar Khan 2021. The list of rejection of plaint which is given under Rule 11 is not exhaustive but illustrative. Next case is Abdullah bin Ali versus Ulappa AIR 1985. Supreme Court held that While dealing with application for rejection of plaint, entirety of plaint amendment have to be taken into consideration. Next case is Madhav Prasad Agrawal versus Axis Bank 2019. In this case, it was held that part rejection of plaint is not permissible. That means it was held that the plaint can either be rejected as a whole or not at all. It is not permissible to reject plaint in segment. The next case is ONGC versus Modern Construction Companies. In this case, it was held that suit instituted after getting returned is not a continuation. Thank you.